In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payroll items in QuickBooks. This is an essential skill for managing your business effectively and ensuring that your employees are paid accurately and on time. So let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by navigating to QuickBooks. You'll want to open your web browser and head over to QuickBooks by entering the URL directly or simply searching for QuickBooks online. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a series of menu options at the top. Now, find the Employees tab and give it a click. This section is where you'll manage everything related to your workforce, from their paychecks to their personal details. Next, within the Employees section, you'll see options such as Core, Premium, and Elite. These refer to different payroll plans that QuickBooks offers, each with its own set of features. Click on Core to start with. The Core plan is designed for businesses just starting with payroll, offering essential features needed to get you up and running. After you've reviewed the Core plan, move on to click Premium. The Premium option provides additional functionalities compared to Core, like same-day direct deposit. If you're looking for a bit more flexibility and added benefits, Premium might be the way to go. Once you've explored Premium, click on Elite. Elite is the most comprehensive plan QuickBooks offers, perfect for businesses wanting a host of advanced features and dedicated support. Each of these options is crafted to cater to different business sizes and needs, allowing you to choose what's best for your company's growth. Now there's another crucial section: Contractors. Click on this to manage any contractors you might employ. It's essential to keep track of their payments separately, since contractor payments differ from those of regular employees. This dedicated section makes it easier to handle. Last but not least, click on Workers' Comp. This area helps you manage your workers' compensation insurance, which is vital for protecting both your employees and your business from any potential workplace accidents. By clicking through, you can explore options and ensure your coverage aligns with your business needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and manage payroll items in QuickBooks. Remember, choosing the right plan for your business can simplify payroll processes tremendously. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you need further assistance, QuickBooks offers a robust support system and online tutorials to answer any additional questions you might have.